Hello, my name is Dónal Foreman. I'm a filmmaker from Dublin, and I'm going to be presenting 3 feature films I directed at the Irish Cultural Centre in London on July 27th and July 28th. The first film screening will be a documentary I made called The Image You Missed. That's screening on Saturday, July 27th at 7:30 p.m. And here's a clip. You felt the strength of your images, their ability to threaten.
We tried to smash these myths and to show what is in reality happening in Ireland, to show what is certainly the most extensive, determined working class.
I keep looking for what's not there.
It is one of the only
No mention of the splits and feuds within the nationalist movement, or the failed struggles against sectarianism. No sense of your own relationship with this world. Instead, shot, reverse shot, nothing in between.
You see the one picture, and you don't see further. You know what I mean?
I take it you've all got forms of identification, yes? All for documentary.
Yeah. Sorry?
Documentary.
Yeah. You got any ID?
Yes.
May I have some ID then?
It's not just that you and I see differently. We belong to different times.
I